just arrived in our hostel in Berlin. So far we have the room to ourselves, sharing it with 2 other people, not here yet. Yeah, this is a pretty nice one. There's a TV. Apparently there's a pool and sauna somewhere. Gotta find that. Yeah, so far so good. Out of a lot of the hostels we stayed in, this is one of the nicer ones. Pretty nice sized room. Just bought our tickets for our overnight bus to Copenhagen. We are now going to the Topographie of Terror, which is an open-air museum that our friend Philip, who we met in Prague, told us to go to. Correction, we met Philip in Krakow, Poland. Can't keep up. It's about 2 miles away, so we're gonna walk it, but it's close to a lot of other attractions that we want to see. They have froyo in the supermarket. Fill up your own olive oil. We really have decided we're just gonna drink juice instead of eat anymore. And water.
I got a salmon pizza. Big chunks of salmon too.
European pizza where you have to cut it yourself. Finally trying wienerschnitzel.
It doesn't look like what I thought it would.
Yeah, it just looks like bread chicken. Currently on the overnight bus, and we found out that we have to take a ferry halfway through, and so we're not really going to be getting much sleep tonight.
So it's 4:30 a.m. and we're taking a ferry now to Denmark. We were on a bus that drove onto the ferry, and now we're on here for about 45 minutes, and then we're getting back onto the bus.